Do you ever feel like your debt is a heavy weight holding you back from truly enjoying life? Imagine the freedom of living without that constant worry. By creating a budget for yourself, you can take control of your financial future and dramatically improve your severe debt issues. Figuring out a budget is something that too many people have difficulty with, and there is definitely no doubt about that. Unfortunately, people, including myself, are just not educated enough about finding debt relief by having the ability to properly manage a well-balanced budget. Following a strict budget each month or week, however you want to do it, is undoubtedly the best way for everyone to improve their debt condition. This is something that you should have already started thinking about, because knowing how to manage your money properly and being consistent with it will drastically pay off down the road. You will finally be able to enjoy your life completely, without all of the worries that come with being overloaded with debt. Your budget will make it possible for you to recognize that you can not only survive every single month, but also potentially have a little bit of extra money each and every month. How fabulous would that be? You know you want it, you know you are exhausted from thinking about your debt, so get up off that couch and stop pitying yourself. Try fixing your debt problems instead of forgetting about them. Allow your budget to work for you, no matter what might come up unexpectedly. If you can do this month after month, I believe you will be shocked by the wonderful results. You will have so much more confidence each day just knowing that you can make it on your own. You are a responsible, mature, and highly intelligent individual. Learning about managing your money and following strict budgets at an early age in life has definitely paid off for you as an adult. Aren't you proud of yourself? Most of us, unfortunately, have a great deal in common when it comes to spending more money than we can truly afford each month. It is definitely a very serious problem and could eventually become a serious debt concern. Creating this amazing budget for yourself can dramatically improve your severe debt issues for good. How fantastic does that sound? Take time out of your busy and hectic schedule, sit down, take a deep breath, and prepare yourself for this fun and exciting learning experience. You will learn so much about yourself once you have prepared a budget to follow each and every day that will rid you of all your debt. It will definitely be an eye-opener for many of you who tend to go a little overboard from time to time when shopping for things. Debt is your worst enemy, so if you can do anything at all to prevent this from occurring throughout your life, start at an early age by figuring out how you will follow your budget each month and make it work. Thank you for taking the time to read this and for committing to improving your financial health. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips on managing your finances. Let's spread the knowledge and help others take control of their debt.